Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving headfirst into the Fuzzing Book, a fascinating resource on automated software testing. It's like, seriously cool.
Automated software testing? Sounds intense. What's the big idea behind this book?
The core concept is automating the process of finding bugs in software. Instead of manually writing tons of tests, you use clever techniques to generate tests automatically. Think of it as having a robot army hunting down those pesky software glitches.
A robot army fighting bugs? I'm in. So how does this fuzzing thing work?
Well, fuzzing is a key technique. It involves feeding the software random or semi-random inputs to see what breaks. It's like throwing spaghetti at a wall and seeing what sticks, except, with more precision and less mess. They cover various fuzzing methods, including random fuzzing, mutation-based fuzzing, and even grammar-based approaches.
Random spaghetti? That's surprisingly intuitive. But the book goes beyond just fuzzing, right?
Absolutely. It also delves into symbolic testing and other advanced techniques. The authors are top-notch experts. They've even helped find thousands of bugs in major browsers like Firefox, Chrome, and Edge using these very methods. It's seriously impressive.
Wow, that's a huge impact. So how can I use this book? I'm not exactly a software testing guru.
That's the beauty of it. You can read it online, interact with it as Jupyter notebooks, which is super cool for live coding, or even download the code and use it in your own projects. They even have slides for presentations. It's incredibly versatile. There's even a Docker image if you're into that sort of thing.
Jupyter notebooks? Docker? This is getting seriously technical. I'm guessing it's aimed at students and developers then?
Precisely. It's designed as a textbook for software testing or security testing courses, but it's also great supplementary material for software engineering courses and a valuable resource for developers. It's really accessible though. Even if you're not a seasoned pro, you can still learn a lot.
I see. So what about those interactive notebooks? I'm a little concerned about the mybinder.org service they use. They mention limitations on concurrent users.
Yeah, that's a valid point. Mybinder.org has its limitations, especially for larger groups. They suggest alternatives, like downloading the code and running it locally, or using your own Jupyter Hub or Binder Hub instance. It's a bit more involved, but it offers more control and scalability. It's a trade-off between convenience and robustness.
Good point. So it's a powerful resource, but it requires a bit of technical savvy to fully utilize its potential. It sounds like a great resource for anyone serious about improving software quality, though.
Exactly. It's a comprehensive guide to the world of automated software testing, packed with practical examples and cutting-edge techniques. And the best part? It's all open source and available under a Creative Commons license. Go check it out.
Definitely will. Thanks for the insightful overview.
You're very welcome. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.